morning everybody, it's the 24th of January and believe it or not it's 10 degrees outside. However, it's also incredibly windy, as I will now begin to show you. Very gusty, which is taking the temperature down a bit, but it's nowhere near as cold as it has been. So I have got a busy day today, but I also, you can probably hear, I've got a bit of a sore throat, so I'm not going to do as much talking as usual. I'm just going to concentrate on getting that stuff done and sharing you as much as I can. So I've definitely got 2 bikes to service this morning, and then there's obviously builds and dismantles and stuff like that. So I'm going to crack on. So my first job of the day is to try and resurrect this Sabre Kinetic that really has seen better days. So we'll try and get some air in the tyres, try and see if we can, what a bit of oil will do, see if we can save it a bit. Right, let's get into it. Okay, so this one is done. It actually turned out to be a lot less trouble than I thought it was going to be. So tyres went up, stayed up, brake needed adjusting at the front, gears needed adjusting at the back, front derailleur is awful, the shift is awful, but I'm going to look into that in a bit. But this one hasn't required any new parts, which is what the customer wanted, because like everyone, no one's got an awful lot of money at the moment, but this one has been done. I do need to have a look at the bottom bracket just really quickly to make sure that that's secure, and then this one customer can come pick it up. Okay, the next job is this Muddyfox Pro full suspension that's in for a silver service. Oh, gimbal's gone mental. Come on, gimbal, you can do it. Okay, so let's try again. Right, Muddyfox Pro in for a silver service. Needs a fair bit of TLC. There's tons and tons of play in the headset. So I'm going to give this a good service for the customer. So they can ride it safely to and from work. That's my plan. Right, let's get into it. So this one's done. I flayed the tyres, lubricated the drive, indexed the gears, set the back brake up, tightened up the suspension, tightened up the headset, indexed the front gears, inflated the front tyre and set the front brakes up. Plus just checked everything else, make sure it's working as it should, make sure. Also as well, sorted out this chaos at the front here because it was wrapped around this front reflector, and then as a result it wasn't turning very happily. Yeah, so that one's all done, ready for the customer to come pick up. So that's me done with videoing for the day. Thanks for watching. We'll be back tomorrow with a challenge bike that a couple of our subscribers have challenged me to try and build into a bike, so we're doing that. Thank you again ever so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, we'd love it if you subscribe to the channel, and if you have subscribed, thank you so much. We hope you're enjoying the content, and we'll see you tomorrow.